right?
Like how he said, we can. This again is 15 and a half. Maybe we can measure from here to here, and we can add it.
But that's what one of your classmates said, right?
Yes.
That's what she said.
Oh.
That's what she said.
She said going like this. This, measure, and then measure the from here to here.
Okay.
And then you can add it.
And then we can add it. Okay. What if this did not exist? You can take it back to your table with you, please. If this did not exist, we didn't have a ruler. We don't have a yardstick. The ruler and yardstick monster came and took them all away. We don't have any more. He came for Halloween. He took them all. Gone. Now, I'm still stuck with my problem. I still don't know what to do. I still haven't figured out which one is longer. All right? What I want you to do, discuss it. Figure out how would you know which one of these is longer. And then one person is going to report to me. One person is going to let me know what your team thinks. Okay? The best strategy or the best way to figure out which one of these lines is the longest. Do we understand the instruction? Yes. I see your hand, Jules. You ready? All right. Come on up. Stand here. You're the teacher for the minute. Stand up and talk to us. Tell us what was your conjecture, if it was right or wrong, and why.
My conjecture was correct because I estimated the size of the first figure and knew it was going to be larger than the second one.
Okay, so your conjecture was what?
That when I saw the first figure, I saw it and I saw like the sizes, and I knew it was going to be bigger than larger than the other one.
Okay, and how did you get to the answer? How did you get to that answer?
This one we just used the yardstick, and this one we used string, and then we measured the string, and we got our answer, which was 74 and a half was less than 94 inches.